Pizzaiola with truffle oil fries. Our take on pizzaiola style meat is a little different than the usual, but we promise it's really tasty and also healthy. Our lean beef pizzaiola is similar to a caprese salad. And to make this dish even more indulging, though without the extra calories, we are serving the lean beef with truffle oil fries. Ingredients, for one person. 2 slices lean beef, we are using beef knuckle thinly sliced. 1 medium-sized tomato. 4 medium-sized white potatoes. Belmorso Novello extra virgin olive oil. This Truffles infused extra virgin olive oil for the fries. 1 fresh mozzarella cheese, you can replace it with pizza mozzarella if you want it to be stringy. Salt, pepper, and oregano. Preparation. Start by washing and peeling your potatoes. Then cut them into thin fries. The way I do it is to cut each potato lengthwise into 2 or 3, depending on how thick the potato is. Then I take each of the 3 parts of the potato and cut it laterally into thin fries. Transfer the cut potato fries into a bowl. Season with salt and black pepper, and drizzle with truffles infused with extra virgin olive oil. Transfer the fries to a baking dish lined with parchment paper, and bake in the oven for 1 hour. To cut the time, you can cook them in an air fryer for 20 minutes. While the fries cook, you can prepare the beef and set the table. First, wash and slice the tomato into thin slices. Next, open the mozzarella, drain the water, and cut it into medium-thick slices. 15 minutes before your fries are ready, you can start cooking your lean beef pizzaiola. Heat a pan and drizzle some extra virgin olive oil, then layer 1 slice of beef. Season the top side of the lean beef with salt and pepper, and leave to cook for 2 minutes. Turn the lean beef on the other side, and season that side with salt and pepper. Layer 2 slices of tomatoes, follow with 2 or 3 slices of mozzarella. Season with salt and pepper. And sprinkle the oregano. Plate the lean beef, being careful not to lose the tomato and mozzarella. Repeat with the remaining lean beef slices. Drizzle some Belmorso Novello Evo on top of the lean beef. Take the truffle fries out of the oven and serve them with the lean beef pizzaiola. Tips: if you don't have truffle oil, use Belmorso Novello or Evo. If you have leftover tomato and mozzarella, season and drizzle Evo on them to serve with the steak and fries. This meal is best served hot. Buon appetito!